Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Stephanie and my brand name is Bassiani. So on my channel, I'll be showing you the stuff I make. I also have on my channel my information to my website. So today I'm making a one-piece outfit, but I'm using, as always, my block pattern. And the importance of block pattern is I don't care what pattern you have. It could be a wedding dress. It could be just a simple little blouse pattern, a pants pattern, a skirt pattern, and it fits really nice. And no issue with fitting. You can convert that pattern into a block pattern because that's the pattern you're going to be using to manipulate to make other patterns. Okay, the one thing with the pattern though, you need to have it on something sturdy because the paper that you actually get it, especially if you buy it from Joanne, it have it's very flimsy and it doesn't last long, so you need to put it either on a oak tag or poster board. The next thing is, if you download patterns from on a paper that you get off the internet, you also need to put that on a oak tag or poster board so that it can last longer. And then when you're manipulating it, you're not manipulating it from the block pattern, but you can have another pattern. I don't care if it's paper or something that is not too expensive, that you can make your design and go from there and put mock-ups and see if the fit or the outfit looks the way you want it to do. So the importance of having that block pattern is so that it can make your life easy, because you don't want every time you want to make a pattern you have to go through all the measurement again. The next time I'm going to show you guys how to grade, meaning how to go from an extra large to another size. Okay, but the importance is that you have it at all time and you can use it to manipulate to make other design that you need. Okay, guys, thank you for the support. So what I'm doing is just showing you my process of just cutting the pattern out. Make sure I'm adding it all back my seam allowance, because whatever I take off I have to add back. guys, what I'm doing is finishing up this outfit, okay? And finishing up the edges, and I'm going to be putting on the band. So let's recap. When you have your actual pattern, make sure you always transfer it to another paper so that you can use it to manipulate and make the style that you want. Remember, if you cut the pattern, remember you have to add back in your seam allowance so that it, when you sew it, it come back to the original spec. If you understand what I mean, okay. You're just not gonna cut and then sew. You have to add in quarter-inch seam allowance because you're using stretch fabric, okay. And with sewing, just take your time. Sewing is a craft that you continually learn continuously. So just take your time with your sewing, with your straight line, with your zigzag, and be comfortable with what is comfortable for you. Okay. Um, and it goes with timing. Just take your time. Guys, thank you so much for actually coming to my channel. And as always, just ask question. I really glad for the support. Thank you so much from all my heart. Love you guys.